Hello my dear friends, I come with another Capcut tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Using the keyframe tool, you can make effects like a professional camera by moving the video, zooming in and zooming out, just like the movie I'm showing. Depending on the speed you want to apply the changes, separate the keyframes. If you want to delete the keyframe that you created, it will show itself as a negative by clicking on the keyframe again, and you can delete the created keyframe by clicking on it. As you can see, I zoom in and adjust the keyframe so that it moves from top to bottom. Now, using the effect tool, we will add effects to our video. Go to the video effects and set it to vibration flash, speed to 23, intensity to 45 and glow to 68, range to 43. And I will put it on the first of the video. Go to video effects again and set it to psychedelic ripples. Intensity to 85, blur to 68 and horizontal to 95 and speed to 51 and range to 5 and twist to 23. We adjust the first part of the second effect with the end of the first effect. For the third effect, I select solution. I set the speed to 24 and glow to 56 and size to 0 and range to 53 and twist to 64 and intensity 41 and horizontal to 13. For the next effect, I choose Galaxy Blur. Color to 59 and glow to 31 and intensity to 100 and range to 37. I choose partial discoloration. Again, I adjusted the last part of Galaxy Blur effect with the first part of partial discoloration effect. And I select rotary focus and set the intensity to 85 and speed to 19. And I adjust the last part of the partial discoloration with the first part of a rotary focus. Go to the body effects and choose on unidirectional movement. I choose vibration flash. Under the effect of Galaxy Blur, I choose the effect Horizontal Flash. And under the Horizontal Flash, I choose Cross Shifts effect. I go to the Adjust and go to the Video Quality and set it to Strong. And filters that I choose is Voyage and Santa Monica. So the tutorial is finished. I hope you like it. If you like to learn more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel.